What's up, man?
Relay, I'm overlapping relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each way. Relay, relay.
What the fuck? Look at this guy and the dog.
Trapped in with the car. It's fucked up, bro.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Woo, woo, woo. First dual vlog.
For all the moms.
Welcome to the channel, Sugar.
Hi. What the
Only
hell is
I
that
get
car
to
doing?
call her Sugar.
Next thing you know, you're going to have people saying, where's Sugar at?
They want these karate chops. Oh, this sun's gonna suck going up this hill up here.
Yeah.
Alright.
God dang it.
So, did you want to start?
You can go first if you want to.
So, this vlog is about us giving thanks to our moms. And, I mean, I owe my mom the world, shit. Much I put her through when I was little. Pick it up, Sugar.
Oh.
I really do, like, owe her the world. All the stuff that I used to do, like, it's never changed her view of me in her eyes. Still always her son, and I feel like I could do no wrong in her eyes, no matter how much in the wrong I actually was. And there's been some situations where I felt like, you know, nobody would stick with me through, and my mom's always been my rock through that, you know. And I really just, I'll never be able to show her how much I actually appreciate and how much I actually love her, because she deserves the world and more.
She sure does. You have any stories to tell?
I'm not gonna tell stories. I'm not gonna get detailed.
No.
No.
Okay.
I just never want to put my mom through any of those situations that I put her through in the past, because it's one thing I can't stand is seeing a woman that I love cry. And I made her cry a lot of times in the past, and that's one thing that I hope I never do again, you know. I'm on a pretty good streak right now, like with everything that I got going on, and
Well,
how good
happy tears are welcomed.
Yeah, well, that's different, obviously. But I'm talking about making them cry because they see me in a situation that they don't want me in, or because I hurt them, you know.
Yeah. Like, I'm not saying this to sound like mean ways, and I'm sure you already know it, but, you know, imagine you didn't go through all those hard times. Like, yeah, it sucks that you made, you know, a couple of situations, you know, hurt your mom and stuff, but it's just those kind of situations where you're like, well, imagine if you never would have went through it. Like, it made you the man who you are today, you know?
Exactly, character building. I definitely wouldn't change my past for anything. Everything that I went through, you know, has gotten me to the point that I am right now, and I'm very thankful for where I am and everything that I have to be in a relationship where the love that I have that I'm giving is actually mutually returned, you know, to be in a situation with you. And that's another thing I'm really thankful of, is all the mannerisms that I actually got from my parents and everything that they instilled, how to treat women, you know.
And that is something that I am super grateful for. You know, to both your parents and your mom, since it's Mother's Day, a little extra shout out to her. But yeah, that's I agree with that 100%, because that's one thing that I love and stands out about you. Like, don't get me wrong, there's people you meet and stuff and they have both their parents together Some of them still come out shitty people. Some of them don't pick up the manners that their parents try teaching them, but like you're just very well raised, and your parents have everything to do with that, you know. And it's like, it makes life a whole lot better for not just you, but it makes everybody around you so much more like, I don't know how to say it, but like it's nice having people like you around, I guess.
Kind of makes everybody's life around you easier, let's say.
But people love to be around you. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, people love to be around you because of who you are, and you are who you are because of your mom. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I definitely am. All the stuff that I've learned about how to, well, I owe it to both my parents, honestly, how to treat women and stuff like that. Because my dad always like instilled in me, like, you never let anyone disrespect the women in your family, and you never disrespect a woman. So I definitely owe that to both of them. You know, nobody could teach me more than my mom in how to actually treat a woman, you know.
Not even that, because a lot of women fall in love and they stay in love, and it's still a toxic and unhealthy relationship. But falling in love and staying in love with somebody who's truly healthy for you is something different, I feel. And I get it, we're all human, we all make mistakes, you know what I mean? But you can just tell when you know something is not right for you.
Yeah.
This is a turning only?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh shit, I'm sorry, I didn't know that. God damn it. I'm so sorry, my love.
You're good.
So did you want to hop on the freeway, or I didn't even know we were coming this way? I meant to go straight.
I was kind of just going. Don't matter to me. If you want to go down a little bit further and then we can come back, that's up to you.
Yeah, we can stay here for now then.
Okay. Whatever you're gonna do, just let me know before you do it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Thanks. Thank you to my mom for everything. You know, it's corny, but literally when she had me, you know, she was young. Like, it's kind of a little bit different, or some other people probably have the same scenario, but because my mom had me at a young age, and we kind of grew up together, and I just feel like that's why I thank her like a lot more. She could have gone a whole lot of other ways about it. Could have left me with my grandma most of the time.
You're right. She could have went different ways about it.
No, she had a lot on her plate. She's a single parent of 3 kids, and there was times when, you know, she would make something out of nothing.
What do you mean by that?
Just like when we didn't have that much money, like regardless if it was Christmas or Thanksgiving, like one situation in particular, there was one Christmas we were living in Colorado, in Aurora, and we were my mom, me, and Joey. I had no idea where Ivan was at. I don't know what he was doing. But we were I remember us being on the sofa, and then my mom was crying because we didn't have no presents that year. She only got us one thing each, and I remember she got me like a little Avon set. It had like perfume and like lotion. And she gave me that for Christmas, and then I don't know what she gave Joy, but I think it was like just a game or something. But it was small, and she was crying, and she kept telling us like, I'm sorry you guys, like I couldn't get you guys, you know, nothing or much. And you would think like us being small, like, you'd probably think like, oh, they didn't really say that. Like, we were just hugging her and we were telling her like, it's okay, mom, like, this is more than enough, like, we're all together, you know?
Yeah.
And she was just crying and stuff. But that's like an example of what I mean by her making something out of nothing, where even when we didn't have food, which was sometimes, because majority of our childhood times we were on food stamps. She always made sure that we had what we needed, and sometimes she would be able to give us what we wanted too. And we always had a fun time. A lot of people, you know, talked a lot of shit about my mom because she moved a lot and stuff, which aka she still does today, but this time it's just her. And I mean, my mom's her own person. You can't, like, she's always gonna be her own person, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But she always made sure to make it fun for us. She gave us a good childhood. And not only that though, like, she's my best friend, and till this day she always makes me feel and makes sure that I know that I can always come to her for anything, you know, regardless of the situation. And I thank her for that. Both her and my grandma are very strong, independent women, and that's another thing she also taught me was, you know, that I don't ever need to depend on anybody, you know, for anything that I want. I just have to put my mind to it and I can get it on my own. Which, don't get me wrong, I'm truly grateful and appreciative of the people that I do have close by right now that I can depend on for things. But I know I don't need anyone and I can do it on my own, you know. You want to race?
INDEPENDENT. Do you know what that means? Hey.
But both her and my grandma always trying to give me, like, you know, good advice, good tips. So, grandma, si está viendo esto, la quiero mucho. Gracias por todo lo que hace por mí y que hizo por mis hermanos también. I love you so much. No llore cuando oiga esto. Because I know you're gonna cry. But
hola, Glorita.
like that bitch is trying to speed up for a reason or something. Where are you going though? Speed limit's 35. Shout out to the amazing women in our lives. I was also saying earlier in the video before that, you know, I admire your mom a lot too, and I look up to her. I texted her that this morning, you know, and she's also very strong, and I just know whenever we have kids, especially a daughter, like, I know she'll have a lot of awesome role models to look up to that I look up to, you know?
Yeah.
Yep. Oy. I know I keep getting stuck on neutral because I'm not pushing hard enough. I am your baby though. Baby, my helmet feels heavier, dude, with this GoPro on here. There's a hair in my mouth. Okay. Ay, amor, you're extra. was focused on there. Feliz Dia de las Madres. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there.
Thank you guys again for joining us for yet another vlog, and stay tuned for more dual vlogs with well-charged GoPro batteries so we won't have any run-ins like this again. Again, shout out to all the moms out there. Happy Mother's Day to those who are special to us, and until the next time, guys.
What's up, man? Relay, I'm overlapping relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each